Mainly I'm hoping you'll be able to hear the sound of this bee party. I'll put the camera down here. So I'm going to do a voiceover here. I had this camera in front of these bees for about 5 minutes, and the party went on about 20, so you don't want to sit here too much longer. I felt like I was at one of these Buckeye festivals that are historically famous, where all these women have these festivals, and if a man is caught in amongst them, he'll be torn to bits. They did not like me being here. When I put the camera there, I had to run, get my hat, and smoke myself. When I came back to get the camera, another one chased me away. Anyway, they don't like that. But they are happy and having fun. They're learning to fly. See, most of them are pointing toward the hive, learning where they live. Anyway, I call it a bee party, but stay away. Just watch them from a distance. So I hope you like the sound of that. Very nice.